Welcome to our channel. Today, we take a look at the fascinating world of dishwashers, those handy appliances that transform kitchen cleanup from a chore into a breeze. Ever wondered how a dishwasher works its magic to leave your dishes sparkling? Let's break it down, step by step. First, your journey begins by loading your dirty dishes into the dishwasher. Securely place plates, cups, and silverware into their respective racks to ensure optimal cleaning. Once the door is securely shut, it starts with the pre-rinse phase. A burst of water sprays onto the dishes, loosening bits of food and preventing them from clogging the spray arms during the main wash. Next up, the wash cycle kicks in. The dishwasher heats water to the ideal temperature, usually between 120 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. The detergent dispenser opens, releasing soap into the mix. Powerful jets spray water and detergent onto the dishes, scrubbing away grime and stains. The rotating spray arms ensure even distribution, tackling tough spots from every angle. Once the wash cycle is complete, the appliance enters the rinse phase. Fresh water is sprayed to remove any detergent residue, leaving your crockery fresh and spotless. Some advanced models even have filtration systems to recirculate clean water, increasing efficiency. Drying comes next. Depending on the model, this can involve heated air or a fan to evaporate moisture. Some dishwashers use a condensing method, where the cooler stainless steel interior helps water droplets condense and drain away, leaving dishes dry without energy-intensive heaters. Throughout the process, sensors and timers precisely manage each phase, ensuring a thorough clean while conserving water and energy. Most modern dishwashers use only 4 to 6 gallons of water per load, making them environmentally friendly compared to hand washing. And there you have it. Your dishes emerge pristinely clean, ready to be stored back in their cabinets. Next time you start your dishwasher, you'll know exactly how this ingenious appliance works. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.